Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can turn off notification of specific friends, not all friends. Because sometimes we want to turn off notification of some specific friends, not all friends. So in this video, I will show you how you can turn off notification like messages, call on the specific friends. So firstly, open the Snapchat and then you will see chats option, click on it and then click on the persons on which you want to turn off notifications. So and then click on three dots on top right, click on it and then you will see chat setting options, click on it and you can see messages notification is on. If you will turn it off, then when this person will message you, the notification will not appear. So in this way you can easily turn off notification of specific friends. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.